Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in Minecraft Education Edition, and we're going to get one of those tutorials. And we're going to do sandstorm. Want to throw some sand around? Make a small sandstorm in this tutorial. You will learn to place a block of sand at a position and then use a pick a random position block to make sand appear somewhere at random near you. Finally, a repeat block is used to make lots of sand show up like a storm.
So it's like there will be sands falling from the sky.
So we first need to put chat command storm, sandstorm, but I'll just do storm. It will place inside to create some sand at 10 blocks above your position.
So it'll be a block 10 blocks above you.
Which is sand. Yay. And at 10 blocks above you. Now let's go to chat and type sandstorm. Oh, hello block. Hello sand.
So the sand fall on top of our head.
But now it's still not a storm. It's just like a sand block falling down. Now we need to put a random position.
So like pick random where sand will fall.
So we need -10, 10, and -10 again. Then from -10, 10, -10 to 10, 10, 10. All of them has a 10. I don't know why. Then go to Minecraft and enter sandstorm. Well, it's actually storm for us. It's getting dark. There's light. Well, maybe lava. Let's type storm. I don't know. Maybe into the ocean. Ah, over there. You didn't make any sand, did you? Some sand. Okay. Now we will put a repeat loop around the place to repeat it 100 times. But we're going to do it 200 times. 200. And go to Minecraft and enter sandstorm in the chat and watch out for sand. Before we do that, let's look at the Python.
So it'll def on chat, so when you type something in the chat for index and range, it'll blocks.place sand, so it places sand random position, and the index and range is the repeat. Then the player on chat, so when you type storm in the chat, will run and place the sand around you.
Okay, now let's try. So first we're gonna type storm. I hope
Get ready.
Suffocate. It's done. Well, if I could have go to this place, I could get suffocated. Okay, let's do that again. And after that, going to control the player. Go.
One almost fell on our head.
Yeah, but if two of them fall, then you're gonna get suffocated.
Yeah, wow.
The storm is done. Let's change it into anvils.
Okay.
So let's change the sand into anvils. Oh, this is gonna be really fun.
I'm gonna do a regular anvil, not broken anvil. Okay. Get ready.
Andrew's gonna control the player again. It's harder to see. Run out
because they're black. Oh, I hit me.
Is Andrew going to die? Oh, the agent's signs a place where we did all this stuff.
Now there are anvils on top of the hill. And then is the storm of anvil ants.
How about we do it into leaking water? Can it be water?
Storm. Now there's water everywhere.
Swim for your lives.
Wow. It's so tall.
Yeah.
It's like a bunch of waterfalls from the sky. Really so high.
Yeah.
Oh,
At least we didn't take so much damage.
well, there's like a lot.
You can't really see it because it's very
like a
dark.
water house. The agent is inside the water.
You can't move Agent. Agent is prevented from everything.
The agent's stuck in there.
But it doesn't matter.
Yeah. There's so much water. There's a big floating water pool.
Yes.
Well,
that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.